I am at Isabella Smash Repairs. No receptionist. 4 days in, we've managed to get Abigail ready for work, and she's going to be handling all of Isabella Smash Repairs phone calls.
Hi, you've reached Isabella Smash Repairs. This is Abigail speaking. How can I help?
G'day everyone, it's John here from Lana, and I am at Isabella Smash Repairs. And as per you, what is it that every smash repairer needs? It needs a receptionist. I mean, look at this place. It's amazing. It just couldn't be more authentic. And I know the guy that works here, but I also know that he's impossible to get in touch with in his smash repair. Oh wait, here he is. No, it's not. This is Henry. And look what we've got. No receptionist. What could he do with Lana AI Reception? What's she going to do? Lana AI Reception is going to do the following. Let's go and see if we can find Jason. Look at this place. Jason! Here he is right now. Look at this guy. Look at the box he's got in this place. He's got the dog. Henry's happy. It's Friday the 11th. Jason, John here from Lana. How are you, brother? What does this guy need? But he has at the door. Mate, I can never get in touch with you.
It's hard. It's very hard.
Needs a receptionist.
I need a
It's
receptionist.
the 11th. What is it, the 11th of April?
11th of April.
We're going to have a
2025.
receptionist working for him 24/7 for less than $10 a day within the next 3 days.
Sounds like a dream.
To be continued. Guys, part two, John here from Lana AI, and we're here to show how quickly we can get a receptionist built so it's working full-time within your business and handling calls, qualifying the actual customer, handling all those questions and answers that you normally have to waste your time answering, and then booking them directly into calendar. So that's what we've done for good old Jace. Back here at Isabella Smash Repairs, as per normal. I guarantee you he's out the back and there's no receptionist. Watch this. No reception. I'll call that in a moment, show you what the usual experience. Here he is.
Hi. How are you?
There he is, as
You
promised.
found me.
Did you have Monday off?
I had Monday off.
Normal Monday off. Guess
Yep.
who would have been great working on Monday for him?
Lana.
Yeah, all right, let's do it. I'm here with Jace from Isabella. As promised, 4 days in, we've managed to get Abigail ready for work, and she's going to be handling all of Isabella Smash Repairs phone calls. Give her a buzz, Jace.
Let's give her a call. This is her first phone call.
Hi, you've reached Isabella Smash Repairs. This is Abigail speaking. How can I help?
Hi, Abigail. Welcome to the team. I'm glad to be next to you all the way.
Oh, he's happy to have her on board.
That's so nice to hear. I'm really excited to be here and help out. How can I assist you today?
Well, there she is. She's ready for work. Jace is happy. He's got a receptionist. She'll be working 24/7 for less than $10 a day. Get in touch with us soon.